इवन माई सिस्टर इज बीइंग लाइक कि जब तक तुम ठीक नहीं होगी वी आर नॉट गोना गेट दैट रिपेयर्ड, अदरवाइज तुम उस पर फिर से टाइम दोगी बहुत सारा एंड यू आर गोना सिक अगेन. Alright, so hi everyone, this is me Srijal Mishra and this is another day of Learn AI with me. You know what, I have not made any remarkable progress today because as I have told you I am running on pills and शायद उनमें अल्कोहल की मात्रा शायद थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है because all of the medicines are not pills, there are some which are syrups, basically 3 or 4 syrups are there that I'm consuming. So I feel that maybe even if they have little amount of alcohol, I don't know if my assumption is right or not, but still it is, you know, affecting me that way that I am sleeping legit a lot and I'm feeling so damn lethargic as I'm getting up. So that's being the thing. I'm not able to, you know, sit for long hours, even for half an hour to study or to do something, as I'm feeling pretty much weak. So that is being the major reason, and my laptop is also not that good. So that's why even if I'm watching something while sleeping, so basically while lying on my bed, I'm watching something, a tutorial or anything on my phone now, so I'm not able to, you know, execute it or implement it using my laptop. So that is being another reason why I'm feeling a little bit bad. As for documentation, what all I have done today till now is, I would say I jumped on so many videos but ended up watching none of them completely because again the laptop issue. Even if I'm watching, it is completely time waste because I'm not implementing the things to overtime. I will forget whatever I have learned, right? So that was the thing. And apart from it, but now because I have got up, so thinking upon going and, you know, studying something because I was learning Python and I had this in my head that by the end of this month I will get done with it, you know, completely. At least I will get done with 3 weeks of module, but things are not looking me going that way. But ठीक है यार, जितना भी मेरे हाथ में है I'll try to do. So for the time being this should be it. I'm just going downstairs. I will start studying. I will try to study, and however even if I'm studying just one single paragraph or one single concept and I'll be mentioning it, I will try to be pretty much honest because this journey is not always meant to be perfect and to be always look like you know, I have done a lot. It should be just honest and real. That's exactly what I'm expecting from it. So that's the thing. Thank you so much for being here till now. I'm feeling a little proud of myself that despite being not, you know, okay, not being healthy, I'm here to document the stuff. Till now I'm on my challenge and I wish Raghav ji to give me the strength to not break this challenge anyway and, you know, keep learning also. आई एम फीलिंग प्रीटी बैड कि मेरे पास इतना टाइम शायद कभी अब होगा नहीं, मतलब इतनी जल्दी तो शायद ना हो जितना अभी है. सो आई कैन यूटिलाइज दिस टाइम लर्निंग समथिंग यूजिंग माई लैपटॉप. बट भाई उसकी अलग प्रॉब्लम है, वो ठीक नहीं है और इधर आसपास में है भी नहीं, बहुत दूर है जहाँ पे रिपेयर करा सकते हैं. सो द थिंग इज़ दैट एंड इवन माई सिस्टर इज़ बीइंग लाइक कि जब तक तुम ठीक नहीं होगी वी आर नॉट गोना गेट दैट रिपेयर्ड, अदरवाइज तुम उस पर फिर से टाइम दोगी बहुत सारा एंड यू आर गोना सिक अगेन. तो ये भी चीज़ है मेरे ऊपर, वो भी प्रेशर है. But no issues, let's see by which time I get that repaired. So this was it for today. Let's meet in another one. Okay, bye.